To locate lung 10, put your finger on the knuckle of your thumb, right about here. That is the end of your first metacarpal bone. Metacarpal means a bone that is located just after the wrist of the carpal bones. Run your hand down the length of that bone till you come to another bump, which is the other end of the first metacarpal bone. Now find the point that is midway between the two. And find the spot that is at the border between the lighter colored skin and the darker colored skin, right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 10. Activate this point by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate lung 10 on your other hand.